Hello, friends. It's great to be back with you again. Let us see what Samartha Ramdas Swami has said in his 170th shloka. Dehe buddhi hai jnana bodhe tyajavi viveke taye vastuchi bheti घ्यावी तदाकार हे वृत्ति नाही स्वभावे म्हणोनी सदा तेची शोधित जावे. The body awareness needs to be given up by acquiring the knowledge of the real self. We need to use the discrimination while fulfilling the demands of the bodily needs. Our nature by default is not to be non dual. For that reason, we always need to be in the search for it. Samartha Ramdas Swami has mentioned in many shlokas that we need to get rid of the mind and body awareness and to be one with God, and for that to be in the company of the saints. Now, in this shloka, he is telling how difficult it is for us normal beings and what method we should use to overcome these difficulties. Right from our childhood days, we are used to identify ourselves with our mind and body. We have developed our ego for all these years since then. Now, when we learn from the sense that we have to get rid of the ego and get away from this body consciousness, it is not going to be an easy task. Nothing can happen overnight, even if we realize, understand, and gain the knowledge for the need to do that. Something which has been implanted in our minds for so many years is not going to vanish magically. It will not be the situation that we understand everything from the sense, come back home, sleep, and then wake up the next morning with all of the ego gone and all of the body awareness gone. If we think that way, then we have not understood the real meaning of that. We are human beings and we have bodily needs. We have the sense organs and they have the sensory needs. It is the anatomy of the body. We will need the food, water, exercise, and place to live to keep our body and the mind healthy and sane. We need to use our discrimination to understand the difference between the needs and the wants or desires of these sensory organs. If we do not keep ourselves clean, keep ourselves fit, and make sure our immune system is strong enough to fight any bacterial or virus kind of enemies, then we will not be able to survive properly. When there is bodily pain because of any of that, then our mind will not be in the right mood, and that in turn will affect our body further in a negative way. Hence, we need to really identify the basic needs very, very clearly and make sure we are providing that to our body and mind. Identifying where is the limit line, the Lakshman Rekha, the threshold for each of those needs is critical, and that is what Samartha Ramdas Swami is saying in the second line of this shloka when he says, Viveke taye vastuchi bheti घ्यावी. If we cross that threshold, then it would be treated as desire or want, which is having, getting, or expecting more than what we need. At that point, it turns out into the bodily awareness and goes into a mode of doing something for pleasure, which then makes our senses to be the victim of the bad habits before we know it. Just take a simple example of eating. Our body is amazing. If we don't get sufficient amount to eat on a day, it immediately knows that it has to store extra for converting into our needs for energy if similar situation arises in future. So it creates that extra store. This extra store will provide the amount of energy when the body will need it in the future. Now, the challenge is that the extra store has to be maintained and it has its own needs, which makes our body demand further more the next day. This cycle goes on for few days, and this beautiful store keeps on growing, thinking that the body needs it. That store has a name. It is called fats. And before we know it, we start wondering how come our weight has increased so much and the stomach has started to show up suddenly. The same principle applies for all the other senses and organs. Once we understand what getting rid of bodily awareness means, then we need to start understanding the real self within us and also the supreme reality. Understanding that these two, the real self and the supreme reality, are one and the same, is a difficult process. Our nature is that we identify ourselves as a separate entity, and that has been engraved in our minds for years together. Getting out of that duality and seeking for being one with God is a lifelong process. Just same as what it takes to slowly get rid of the bodily awareness, it probably will take much more than that to get to know our real self and to understand and inculcate the non-dual mindset. Hence, Samartha Ramdas Swami says that we need to continuously focus on seeking that awareness throughout our lives. Probably over few years, we might start our journey towards that by knowing that there is light at the end of the tunnel. But we need to keep on marching through that tunnel until we get that awareness. Friends, if you liked this explanation, feel free to provide your feedback and do like, share, and subscribe to the YouTube channel A Dialogue with Our Mind. जय जय रघुवीर समर्थ